Good morning, children. Children, what do you like to eat in snacks with your milk, coffee, or tea?
Teacher, I like to eat chips, biscuits, cookies, etc.
Okay, can you name some biscuits which you eat?
Marigold, Parle-G, Monaco.
And which one is your favorite one?
Marigold.
Okay, what you like about Marigold biscuit?
It is so crispy.
Okay, so children, we also call biscuits as cookies. So today we are going to learn and enjoy how your favorite biscuits are made in factory. And also we'll learn about different types of biscuits, different shapes of biscuit, just like some biscuits comes in a rectangle shapes, some comes in a square, some they are in a circle shapes. Okay, so our next lesson is there, lesson number 6 in a biscuit factory, in which we know how our biscuits are made in factory and how its process. Okay, now I will read the lesson first. You all repeat after me. A biscuit is so crisp and tasty. This is the speciality of all the biscuits. They are very crispy and tasty. Okay, we all love biscuits, isn't it? We get different types of biscuits, just like circle in shape, okay, rectangles, some they are very heart shape also, biscuits in shapes. Okay, the came they came in colorful packets also. Just see the different packets, they comes in different colorful packets. They are made in a factory. All your favorite biscuits are made in a factory. In factory, there are some process are going, and afterwards you find your tasty biscuits. But how are biscuits made in a factory? Let's find out. Okay. Just see here, student. All the pictures is given in your textbook, which are help you to know the process how the biscuits are made in a factory. Just go one by one. See here. First one, get a recipe. Okay. Get the ingredient, things that go in a biscuit. Give underline here. Ingredient means the things whatever need to make your biscuits. Okay, all the needed thing to make a biscuits, it's called ingredient, samagri. Okay, now afterwards decide how much of each to use, weight each ingredient. Okay, whatever you want to make, first of all decide the weight, decide the quantity of ingredients. See here, all the people, they are sitting here and they discuss about the weight, whatever quantity you want. Okay, they first discuss about it. Afterwards, mix the things and make a dough. Just like your mother, when she want to prepare a roti, first of all she knead the dough. Okay, she make the dough, atta dough. Okay, there also in factory it is a big huge machineries are there, and with the help of these machineries they make a dough. Okay, afterwards see here, all the pictures are given here. Next one, afterwards roll out the dough. Afterwards, with the help of this machine, they roll out the dough. Then cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. Okay, afterwards see here, with the help of all these big machinery, they cut the dough with proper shapes. Okay, there we can see the circle shapes. Afterwards, see here what happened here. Afterwards, bake the dough shapes in an oven. Okay, in an oven they make the dough shapes in an oven. Afterwards, cool the ready biscuits. Okay, when they going into the oven, afterwards do not immediately touch all these biscuits because they are very smooth at that stage. So after cooling, they are ready to eat. Okay, afterwards see if the biscuits are done baked properly. It is very necessary afterwards check out your biscuits properly. Okay, pack the biscuits into packets. Okay, so whatever you want to design your biscuits packet, you first do all this activity, and the last one stage is there, pack the biscuits into the colorful packets. Store and sell the biscuits. Okay, after this all long process, your biscuits are ready to sell. Okay, so store and sell the packets. Student, see here one word is comes here. After mix the things and make a dough, afterwards knead the dough. Knead means press it properly. Okay, when you knead the dough properly, it gives you the proper effect. Okay, these all the process which are very important to make the delicious biscuits. Okay, student. So student, one activity for you, collect some, see here in your textbook page number 12, 5th point is there, collect a few wrappers of different kinds of biscuits, cookies, paste them in your scrapbook. No need to paste them in your scrapbook, but paste it in your English notebook, and also write down some information with the help of these questions. Okay, first of all stick the any one packet of biscuits there, and afterwards write down these questions. The name of the biscuit, see here, for example this is the biscuit pack, this is a Parle-G, so you write down the name of a biscuit, afterwards the name of the company that makes, for example it is also made by the Parle-G company. Okay, next one, the date of packing or manufacturing. See here student, the date is given here. If you turn this packet, then you can see here the date, packing date is given here, that is, see here, 29/7/20. Okay, this is the packing date. You also write down this information in your activity. And again the price of the packet, write down the price of the packet. See here the price, see here the price, ₹10. Okay, so you have to write down the price, and also write down the place where the biscuits are made. Also write down the place where the biscuits are made. Here you can search from here and find out. See here, Mumbai. Okay, here you have to search all these, read this information and find out the place. Here we can got the place Mumbai. Okay, then ingredient also. See here, every packet of all the biscuits, ingredients are given here. See here. Okay, first of all refined oil ingredient, refined oil, wheat flour. Okay, all these ingredients you have to write down in your activity book. Okay student, this is your homework. First of all read this lesson again, study all the process properly, how your favorite biscuits are made in factory, and also do the activity, collect the different types of wrappers of biscuits, and write down all this information, all the answers of given in your page number 12. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you.